Hi everyone, it's Christy, and today I have decided finally get a quarantine glow up. These days I've been super into this webtoon called True Beauty, which if you don't even know what that is, it is a great webtoon. Definitely go and read it if you can. In this webtoon there's literal like makeup tutorials, and Jugyeong was able to transform from this to this overnight. And so, okay, not overnight, like she did it over summer break, but same concept, okay? So I've decided to follow her tutorial to see if I can get this quarantine glow up. Let's get started with the tutorial. Yes! Jugyeong shaved her eyebrows. Oh. I will shave around it. I did shave my eyebrows recently. It may not look like it, but I do not want to shave it to the same level as Jugyeong had it, okay? So we're gonna shave it a little. I'm just shaving around the parts where there is, you know, where hair, I do not want the hair to be. So if I mess up at any point, it's not gonna be good. It's okay. Does it even look like I did anything? I don't think so. It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. What she said. It's okay. I'll just draw it back on. It's fine. So next, Jugyeong puts on eyelid glue. And there's another makeup tutorial where she uses eyelid tape. So I'm gonna be doing eyelid tape instead because, you know, I'm not exactly the best at eyelid glue. I have tried. It hasn't worked very well for me. Oh, okay. Amazing. A natural double lid. I'm so sorry. This is so crazy. Next, Jugyeong wears these enlarging lenses. So I bought some from Pink Icon, and we're gonna put them on. Holy crap, these are huge. Do you see how big these are? Ready? Do you see that? Do you see that? This is my normal eye. This is the one with the lenses. Holy crap. Oh my god, I look like an alien. It's fine. It's fine. It's quarantine glow up. It's okay. Next thing Jugyeong does is curl her lashes. So I'm gonna do that. Curl them. This is actually insane. My eyes are insane. Next thing Jugyeong does is eyebrows. Now my eyebrows are not as thin as hers, so I'm gonna be using a little bit of concealer to cover up the extra hair. I do not use foundation, and so we're just gonna skip that part. However, she does use a concealer in one of the tutorials, so I'm just gonna do that instead. But anyways, I'm just gonna put it in my problem areas. Actually, I might as well just put it on my whole face. Next is eyeshadow. Jugyeong uses a really light hand with eyeshadow. In fact, all she does, I think there was only one tutorial where she used a lot of eyeshadow, but her usual eyeshadow is just brown, so I'm just gonna do that. I use this brown color. You see? I'm gonna blend that out. After eyeshadow, Jugyeong wears a little bit of brown eyeliner, so we're gonna do that now. Let's do the... Whoa. I think I messed up on the eyeliner. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm just gonna wear the false lashes so that, like, I actually have eyelashes like Jugyeong. So I'm using these really natural eyelashes. They're this brand. Wow. Okay, both lashes are on. Do I already look like I'm glowing up? I'm gonna fix my eyebrows really quick. Don't like that. What is that? What is that? She puts on this peach color blush, so I'm gonna just do it. Is that too much? Don't be shy. Put some more. is okay. Next is lips. Jugyeong uses a bright coral lip, and so I'm just gonna put this on. Whoa. Whoa, I look so different. How do I look? Do I look like Jugyeong? Wow. But I'm just gonna do my hair really quick and change my clothes, and then we'll have the final look. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Hi, I'm back. Yeah, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? From my old to this. Thank you guys for watching me attempting to try True Beauty Jugyeong's makeup tutorials. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys having a great quarantine. You know, I think I'm gonna go now. Yeah. Bye!